new exterior door with built-in blinds. Now these are gas packed, so there's less heat exchange and cold exchange from the outside, but it is a built-in blind, so it's kind of nice. Never obviously gets dirty because it is packed in there. They have a nice little slide mechanism to open and close here. We installed a utility closet slash pantry, so this doubles as a utility closet and a pantry. And the pantries have the rollouts. It's soft close. Up here is just some extra storage shelving. Over here, we reframed this and put 2 bifold doors on. This is to hide the washer and dryer units, as you can see here. And we put a light with a fan in there, and then we have some utility cabinets up here, and brand new washer and dryer. We had limited space on this project, so we had to make everything count. For this, we went with some very wide, very deep drawers. These are great for storing pots and pans. They're full extension, of course, like all our drawers, so you can reach everything to the back, and soft close, like everything else. We did a corner cabinet, and in the corner cabinet we did a Lazy Susan. This is a great use of space, and also, you know, the angle gives a little more interest to the kitchen. Okay, so the customer got a very, very cool fridge that I wanted to show. It is a Samsung refrigerator with what's called a family hub. This has just like a big iPad. You have all different kinds of slots you can put in. You can listen to music, you can draw things. It's a really cool fridge, so I recommend everybody get this fridge. Okay, so what we did is we wanted to keep the space open and airy, so we went with a white cabinets and white countertops. This is a white quartz meant to look like Carrara marble. So again, you know, quartz is non-porous and never has to be sealed. It's not a food source for mold. It's a really versatile and durable countertop. For the backsplash, we did a mixture of a crackle and a textured glass mosaic. This is then backlit with an LED under cabinet light, and we did a little cap off the pass-through with the quartz as well. Stainless steel single bowl sink and a touchless faucet. For the floor, we selected a 6x24 porcelain tile. This is a commercially rated porcelain tile. It is kind of a mixture of a travertine and a wood look. The grout that we used in this kitchen is a little special. It's got an acrylic component to it. It dries non-porous. You never have to seal it. So the maintenance on this is going to be very easy to upkeep. Okay, so this kitchen originally started, believe it or not, with a wall right here with a little doorway. And what we did is we eliminated that whole wall system, opened this whole space up, and then we added some seating here with a peninsula. And to keep it short, we did a 12-inch lower cabinet here, which keeps the depth thinner, which then adds some seating without having to grow this whole area. And then the top of this, as you can see, is a really nice Ogee square edge detail on the countertop, and with this, you know, this inside corner being rounded, it just really adds a really nice form to the whole thing.